Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the recycle bin corrupted error in Windows 11 using simple and safe steps. First, we will reset the recycle bin using Command Prompt. Click on the Start menu and type CMD. When the command prompt appears, right-click on it and choose Run as administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. When the command prompt window opens, type this command carefully: rd_sqc:_recycle.bin. If Windows is installed on another drive, replace C with the correct drive letter. Press Enter on your keyboard. This command deletes the corrupted recycle bin folder. You will not see any message if it works correctly. Now restart your PC. When Windows starts again, it will create a fresh recycle bin automatically. If the problem is still there, we will check the system files. Open Command Prompt again as administrator, then type sfc scanno and press Enter. This scan checks Windows system files and repairs any corrupted ones. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. Do not close the window during this process. Next, we will check the disk for errors. Open a Command Prompt window again. Type this command: CHKDSK /FC:. Again, replace C. If your Windows is on another drive, press Enter. You will likely see a message asking to schedule the scan for the next restart. Type Y and press Enter. Restart your PC. Windows will scan the drive during startup and fix file system errors automatically. This may take some time. After your PC starts normally, the recycle bin corrupted error should be gone. Thanks for watching.